Hi guys, Andrew here, Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada, here to talk to you about our complete transmission service that we do. Transmission fluid does break down over time, it does get dirty. What we have here, this is our fluid system cleaner and our conditioner. It's a package that we get from Valvoline there. Obviously put the cleaner in, let it run, get warm, but primarily before you do that, we hook up our system to the transmission cooler lines. Let it get hot, run it through the gears. Now what this system does, this is the difference between the quick lubes charging you for a drain and fill and a full proper transmission fluid. The fluid circulates through these lines. And what we have here are dirty fluid and our clean fluid. We usually go higher than capacity to get more fluid exchange through the system, but this will clean out your transmission pan, your valve body, your torque converter, the transmission cooler and the lines, all the transmission fluid, because it does go through one continuous circuit. So all your old fluid comes out, fresh fluid going in, nice and clean. You can go to a certain extreme and actually change the transmission filter if it's equipped and it's serviceable, then that's a good idea as well, maybe every second one. But this is primarily a full fluid exchange. Big difference between just draining it and refilling it. You get the full kit, full service, and the fluid and conditioner. Feel free to give us a call here at the shop, Urban Automotive, safety first.